Imagine this. A puzzle released just 3 weeks ago is currently raking in an estimated monthly revenue of $3,500. Meanwhile, another puzzle book published only 2 weeks ago is making an estimated $1,600 per month. But what's even more astonishing is a book released at the end of last month that's already generating significant daily sales, with an estimated revenue of $2,800. In today's video, I'll reveal how you can outperform your competitors by starting a similar business but 10 times faster, all with the assistance of AI. From generating product ideas to designing a professional product, and if you stick around, I'll share a powerful trick to 10x your revenue. I was browsing Amazon's best-selling products when I stumbled upon the new releases in word search games. What left me amazed was that these books were published less than a month ago and are already generating substantial revenue. As you may know, anyone can create and publish similar books using Amazon KDP, a technique I'll walk you through today. To begin, you need to come up with a theme for your book. This theme could revolve around various topics like summer, travel, dogs, nature, and more. There are different ways to find a niche for your puzzles, and I'll share 2 of my favorites. First, you can utilize ChatGPT to create a list of niches for word search books. This will give you broad niches that you can narrow down to specific topics. For instance, if you're interested in the transport and vehicles niche, you can request a list of related topics. From there, you can pick a sub-niche like classic cars, motorcycles, air travel, space travel, and more to create your book. Second, you can explore Amazon's bestsellers and new arrivals in the word search game category. These books are proven to work and are already making money. By analyzing them, you can identify popular themes and create something similar but unique. If you don't have the time or tools to research niches, I've compiled a list of 50 winning niches for word search books, eliminating the need for extensive research. You can find the list in the description link. Once you've settled on a theme, you'll need to generate the words for your puzzles. ChatGPT can help with this too. Request a list of words related to your chosen topic and ask to include interesting facts. This way, your readers can learn something while having fun. Create a list of words for each topic and organize them in a Google Sheet for easy reference. With your list of words in hand, it's time to create the puzzles. Use a free online tool to generate the puzzles based on your word list. Customize the puzzle by choosing the number of rows and columns, word directions, and color schemes. Generate the puzzle and solution images for each word list and organize them into folders for each topic. Now, design the interior of your book. Determine the book's size by researching similar listings on Amazon and create a custom design in Canva based on these dimensions. Add the puzzles, topic names, puzzle numbers, and any illustrations you like. Organize the interior of your book, adding puzzles and solutions, and ensure everything is well structured. To create a cover, use Canva again. Utilize Canva's cover template calculator to determine the correct dimensions. Upload your template and design your cover. Ensure your design fits by placing it over the template and using guidelines. Download the cover as a PDF and proceed to publish your book on Amazon using Amazon KDP. Now, for the trick to boost your business further, consider translating your book into other languages to target different audiences and reduce competition. For example, if you have a successful English word search book, try translating it into Spanish or other languages. You'll reach new audiences, and competition in these niches may be lower, increasing your sales potential. In conclusion, the world of word search puzzle books offers tremendous opportunities for those willing to explore it. With the right approach, you can turn your creative ideas into profitable ventures, just like the successful books we've discussed. Remember, it all starts with finding the right niche, generating engaging content, and using AI tools to streamline your processes. By embracing innovation and continually seeking ways to stand out from the crowd, you can not only replicate the success of existing titles, but also potentially surpass it. Consider expanding into different markets by translating your books, and don't forget to explore various marketing strategies to reach a broader audience. Thank you for joining us in this journey to uncover the secrets of creating successful word search puzzle books. We wish you the best of luck in your entrepreneurial endeavors and look forward to seeing your own success story unfold. Keep pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation, and you'll find that the possibilities are limitless in this exciting niche.